Hello, Hopper class. I hope you've had a good holiday and everyone in your family is safe and well. This week we'll be doing some home learning, and this is your first science lesson of the week. Now, our topic for this half term is all about plants. We are going to start with an activity about plants. So here we are. So your cold task. So I want to know what you know about plants already. So this term we'll be learning about common plants, including different trees and flowers. So what do you already know about plants? Have a think. Tell someone in your house, what do you know about plants? Once you've shared, you can move on to the next slide. So to record your answers, you can either make a video of yourself answering the questions, or you can write them out on paper and take a video and post it on Tapestry, or take a photo. So I need to see that you are working at home. So please put your work on Tapestry for me to check it, okay? So let's start. Oh, what are the parts of a flower? Have a think. Do you know those 4 parts of a flower? So you can draw a picture of a flower if you'd like, and you can label it, or you can just write on your paper 1, 2, 3, 4 and write each part. You can tell the grown-up or the person that you are with, and they can video you and you can upload it. So if you'd like to pause the video, you can pause the video and then push play when you want to go on to the next part. So the 4 parts of a flower. Next, we're looking at the parts of a tree. So here I have a tree, and there are 4 parts of a tree that we're going to be learning about. Do you know their names? So you can write down numbers 1 to 4 and write the answers. You could draw a picture of a tree and label it, but I'd like to see if you know the 4 parts of a tree. So you can pause the video, and then once you're ready, go on to the next slide. Now, here are some examples of different plants that you might know. These are common plants, plants that you might see outside during the year, plants that you might have in your house. So have a think, there are 9 of them. So on your paper, you can write down the number and see if you know the names of these plants. So pause the video here to make sure you have lots of time, because I'm going to go over all the answers in a minute. So pause the video, and when you've written down everything that you know, then you can press play again, and I will give you the answers. So what are the parts of a flower? So first you have the petal. So these are the parts that you can pull off. They're the parts of the color. The next one we have a leaf. Then we have the stem, which is the long thing that stands up. And then we have the roots underneath. So well done if you got any of those. What are the parts of a tree? So we have the leaves. So the leaves are at the top of a tree. Then we've got a branch. So the leaf trees have branches. So we've got branch. Then here we have the trunk. So it's not called the stem as like in a flower, it's called the trunk. And then again, a tree also has roots. Well done. What about parts of different trees? So we have number 1 is a rose. Number 2 is a pine tree. So you might have had one of these in your house recently if you celebrate Christmas. Number 3, we have daffodils, and we see those a lot in the springtime. Number 4 was a sunflower. And I think some of you grew some of these when you were in reception and nursery. And then number 5, we have an apple tree. Because did you know apples grow on trees? Number 6, oh, we've got cactus. We've got a cactus. Number 7, we've got tulips. And again, these are another flower that comes out in the springtime. Number 8, we have daisies. So I'm sure you've seen lots of daisies on your walks through the fields or through the parks. And number 9, we have a blackberry bush. And again, these come out in the late summer, early autumn. Lots of us like to pick blackberries. So again, what else do you know about plants? So you can either record a video telling me what you know about plants already, or you can write some sentences. And I look forward to hearing you on Tapestry. So please, please upload your answers on Tapestry so I can check them and see that you're working at home. We really miss you, and I hope that you are doing well.